to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is cooking up a storm. Yes, she's cooking up a storm. And she's changing her content. She's changing what she's doing as she moved into her new home. And she's so excited to move forward with, her cooking show and basically dieting, you know, eating healthy. So that's her main concern right now, having a healthy diet and, just living up her life the way that she wants to. So, guys, go ahead and go catch the video, see what Marcia has to say about her new home and about her cooking show that she will be having very soon. And remember, guys, to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, yes, this is your day. I want to wish you a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you love, peace, joy, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies out there, I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day.
That's all them I see in the kitchen. That's all them need to see. And that is what they will continue to see. Because I'm gonna do my cooking show. Me not have nothing to show. I don't have nothing to show. So it is better. It's better. I love it here. It's not practical, but I love it. I wish me could have stayed so for a long time. Yes, I'm telling you. But that's how life is. You see what I'm saying? Me not have nothing to show them. Me not show them nothing. Me not show them nothing. Them just I get surprised on top of surprise. Me ma. Sure. Yep, me dear. So no soon get me full cooking show. Or no soon get me full cooking show, season up my meat and do my cooking. Me want me little when me a come, me want me babe. Me a go order my babe with my name on it. Cooking with Marcia Ever Bless. Me a go send go buy that. Me a go send go print that out. I think me a go up on Amazon and print it out or something or whatever. Me want all of the fun. For my kitchen is gonna be fun. It ain't gonna be in a regular kitchen, honey. I'm going right on YouTube with it. YouTube. When me a stream from YouTube and Facebook. Me a stream on the whole borderline go straight across. So everybody will see. So when me ready and me a stream straight across. That means me have to have my selfie. Me have to have my good camera and my good lighting. And me have my phone them, my selfie phone with everything on it. So when it go live on YouTube, Instagram, and the whole of them, straight across the border on Facebook. I have my gear them for me, my name and my clothes them. Me not come out ordinary. Me make sure so me I come out well ready up. Me not do no steam fish because me not like fish. Me not in a fish business. Me have salmon. Me I eat me salmon. The vinegar. I will show this for ABC with Shirley Shirley Refan and some other something. Oh, this is a new show. The vinegar dash up on the floor and it smells so terrible. The apple cider vinegar. Me put some apple on top. So let's see how it tastes tomorrow. You drink a little. You can drink a cup full before you eat anything in the early morning. You just drink one cup before you eat anything. This must be one new show. Yeah. So, you can go do a little thing here. You know what you do already. Get the buckle sell a Marshall. A Marshall me buy it. I'm sure them there Walmart. Them there everywhere. Michael's everywhere. They're made out of plastic. They're $7 for it. It's cute. You dice up a little fruits. Everybody know lemon and something. You dice up, you put in it. That's all. 3 little something in there, whatever it is. You're good to go. That's all. That is it. Sometime when time in the home, people when you can show a little cayenne pepper, pound your tongue, and just swallow it. That's all. Boost your immune system. And keep it moving. Make sure so not do it before the man come over. So when you kiss him, like when you walk to you do it, and when you kiss him, a pepper just burn him. And you say, yes. How my tongue a burn me so? Yeah, give me burn. Yes, I say if you do. Yes, man, chew some cayenne pepper on your tongue and stimulate your bloodstream. Yes, my dear. And if you get cut and you bleed and can't stop, dash some cayenne pepper on it. It stop the bleeding. And when the man come in, dash the cayenne pepper on your tongue. And it's good for circulation. So if you see your foot and numb up and a cramp up, dash it on your tongue. And you take it, dip your finger in there and put it right under your tongue and make it another day until it's dissolved. So when your man come now, what you have to do is kiss the man. And then he say, oh, you tongue about me so. Me say, hey. Oh, so yeah, give me bone. What is it that where you come from a while ago? Make my tongue about me like that. Give him the blame. And then you know if my bone or not give bone that. Yes, my dear. I say if you catch him. Yeah. I say if you catch him, man. Boy, Marcia, can you cope with those things? Wait until my friend come over here. I watch me. I go and make sure I turn on the camera. I go and touch the cayenne pepper. And as when he walk in, I go and give him a piece of kiss there. And I say, oh, then what is going on? Why is my tongue burning me like that? You giving me bone or what? What you mean? Me say you give me kiss him. Kiss him on the mouth to make the pepper burn out in backside. And then you accuse him of giving you bone. But he said, but then when you come, what did you eat a while ago? Make your tongue burning me like that. What did you eat? And catch a fucker. Yes, man, catch them. You have to play a trick on them, you know. Anytime come over I do it, watch me. We don't get you laughing. Because it was like, what is this? What are you, Thomas? Yeah? I said, I eat now you eat it. Where you coming from? My face, you know me act already. But where is my face coming from? I said, I don't know. Why is it my tongue burning me like that? Yeah. He must have, what is it? I say, you give me bone. Oh, say giving me bone. Because them say, anytime it's one man, say, anytime you kiss a man, and your tongue start burning, he might give bone. Your lips start burning, might give bone. Yeah. See how I can say? I say, I see it part of your so I say, I true. Oh, yeah, give me bone. I'll see if you do it. Watch me. I better me do it to him. Mark my 10. I'm doing it to him. I'm going to put a whole lip in my mouth. Watch me. Yes. Watch me. I got to try that backside. Anyway, people, I am going to clean up. I'm going to clean up and put away these things. And I'm going to put this in the fridge. But I'm going to take it out. I'm going to take it out before me drink it. Yes, make I use it. I am going to put it in there. I wasn't going to put it in there, but since I see fruits them in there, even though the cayenne pepper and the ginger and whatever, but me I put it in the fridge. I mean, I drink it until tomorrow evening. Make it stay for a couple hours as well. Make it infuse. With the mineral water, it will help it to suck out all of the little, make it infuse much better. Will come out of it. And I put apple on top. Yes, I put some apple on top because the apple them get whole. So instead of waste them, I put them right in there. And I must tell you, say, this fruit right here is the bomb. Me say me not left it for tomorrow, but me not take me left it for tomorrow. I am going to eat it. because I love it so much. I am going to eat it. What a way it come out of the shell so quick. It tastes like kiwi. It's kiwi. I don't know if it tastes good, man. I eat it. Dragon fruit. It is so good. I guess this is my dessert. I leave it for your morning. I leave a piece of morning for my breakfast. I leave it. I leave it for your morning. But it is so good. It is so good. Yes, my dear. It's tempting. It's so refreshing. It just slides on your throat so good. It come like nothing good on your throat. It is so easy going. It just slides on your throat and it just not have no taste. It just fresh and everything. So it's just good overall. Anyway, I am. Yes, if you don't trouble me, then I'm always entertaining and always doing tough. And people come and interfere with me. I am going to clean up and pack up these things. And I advise you to buy these measuring cup if you're on a diet. That means, say, if you're going to cook like rice, you just measure your rice. If you alone, you just put your rice in this and cook this because this is a lot of rice. So I would advise you to use the second one for cooking rice. If you don't want it the same, if you measure your cups. This is a bit. This rice here. You put this amount of rice in there. Trust me, it rice will swell. May I advise you if you're on a diet or you are doing quinoa, to use the bottom one, the second one to it. You understand? And these are your measuring spoon, and these are very thick and these are very nice. So you can't go wrong with these measuring stuff. I bought these in Michael's and it was very cheap. You can't go wrong with them, and they're very cheap. $6 for it. And you have every measuring tool you can think of. Anything to baking. Everything, and you have the number on it where you measure. And you have the big one. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have everything for bake with. And it's made out of bamboo. Bamboo. 8 pieces of bamboo fiber measuring cup and spoon set. See it here? It's a spoon set. So if you put a little dumpling a week time, you know how much dumpling. Because who no longer take the baking soda and a dash all over any flour. At least you not have a measuring something. Right there, so if you not bake and somebody say put half a teaspoon, quarter teaspoon, 1 cup, half a cup, 3/4 cup, it's right here. All the measuring is right here. So you're good to go. Yeah. So let me go and clean up. And I don't have nothing else. Me have one salad right there, so I never eat the salad. I will eat the salad tomorrow. Because my belly full of dragon fruit, full up my belly. You understand? So I am done. So big up to the members only and the people who like me. Yes, thank you for the support. And please continue to support the page by following the page, liking the page, and also come and support my business. You understand? And me have a lot of things to get. You know, so I have to start all over from scratch because me give away all of my furniture them. So all of those things I have to rebuy again. And so come on and support my business. Me have whole heap of sheet, whole heap of quilt. So come and support. You understand? The more you support, the more you see Marcia in a good mood. That's all. Yes, so come and support. Yes, come and support and let me get back on track. Winter is over now. So I have to get back on track. God has delivered for me. He has come true for me that winter is over. We just have a little nips now and then as spring is here. So thank you, Jesus. Me get you the hardest part. I am looking forward to the summer. You understand? So the winter is over. So me can get back on track, you know. If get back and do what I'm supposed to do and go pack out my things them and give them figure and get back on the track. That's all. So maybe sooner or later I am going to go clean up. Me have few little clean up to do. One little cooking and me have so much clean up to go do. That is ridiculous. One little piece of cooking. And look more clean up if I go do. Yes, my dear. I must say the back look very pretty. So get enough fruit infused and go. Get a little diet drink and get it moving. That's all. I want to make this down. I'm supposed to drink this for the whole day. And don't name nothing really. Yes, so I'm supposed to drink this and don't name nothing. One little something and keep on drinking it. This should be on the food. Yes. And keep it going. You can get me by calling my number and may have I'm in Connecticut. Yes, I have twin, full, king and queen. May have kitchen mats, beautiful kitchen mats. Kitchen, everything for kitchen, everything for the house. So, if you don't want to get the good side of Marcia, come and support Marcia business. Me now look on the haters them. The haters them are later. Me a bigger fish fry. Me want to get back to me normalcy so me can cook food now. Giving up a joke. And do what I need to do. You understand? Me see what life is all about. And it's all about loving yourself and making yourself happy. And riches. No run down riches. Run down life. And happiness. And wake up in the morning and said, I can eat, I can sleep, have a roof over my head. That's all. Don't run on riches, because if you run on riches, you'll be in a problem. Run down life one day at a time. Come and tell us we are going dead one day. And no matter how much money you have, you're going dead left. Them just bury you out of it and left it same place there. Somebody else get it and go do work and go use it up. So just remember that. So the most important thing is to make yourself happy. Our new show, the Steve Harvey, do. Like when somebody bring up something got quote. A long time I don't watch regular TV, you know. Mrs. Steve Harvey like in the pan want something and people bring up something. Our new show that Steve Harvey have. Like then carry some bill go up and something. Judge show. Our new show. Okay. A long time I don't watch regular TV, you know, because I don't put it on regular TV. I put it on Netflix. I don't watch regular TV. I love the movie like The King and I, the movie with the sword fighting and you rescue this I want to like them show them I love. But anyway people, I have to go pack up. So let me go pack up. I left that piece there for tomorrow. I ain't going to leave that piece for tomorrow. So let me go clean up, people. That is it. And then me go take a hot shower and go in my bed. If I feel like come back, me come back. If me not come back, I saw it go. You understand? Me give you enough already. Time for me to go rest. Me want to look young and healthy. You understand? So if me come back, I saw, and if I don't come back, I saw. But me go clean up and then me come back later on. Let me go talk to my friend them. All right, thank you very